I told him the clip was longer than Demo Coke, nigga, extended clips. I keep that workout, I got a membership. And put the pause on the Columbus, nigga, on some Clemson shit.
Blu-ray, we don't talk beans. It's gonna be the guns yelling who they, nigga, you from out of town.
That nigga feel this feet, wrong baby. Soon as I got the call, you was dead. Talk that GTA shit so much, he tattooed stars on his head.
Even my queen on 100. Come to my crib, you fuck around and see toys everywhere. And we ain't cleaning up nothing dirty.
Do your thing, man. Shout out Aaron Green, man. Shout out Aaron Green. You already know. I was talking to Lou while you was battling. He said it ain't gonna be easy, nigga. He's sick. I say I got the nose running for the sneezy nigga. These rap niggas, fake trap niggas, carrying fofos. I ain't gonna tell y'all what I did to his bitch. Cause Bo knows she a hobo. Bum niggas ain't bout no action. You remember what that Cincinnati nigga did to Bo Jackson? Be grateful. You standing in front of the only part to see. Start the beef, you gon' need Jesus. Try and part the sea. 2 sticks, I got the Trey Young and the Hawk with me. Crucifix for any nigga that try to stand across from me. Talk is cheap. And I get chicken, nigga, don't talk to me, I'm too cold. And y'all thinking this sneezy nigga gon' cough with me. Not yet. But we gon' talk about that tattoo, nigga. They said it was a blessing to get sneezy. I said, I'm at you, nigga. Not yet, but we gonna talk about that tattoo, nigga. They said it was a blessing to get sneezy. I said, I'm at you, nigga. Now listen, Bo, fucking with me, you gonna be missing, bro. H2O, cold low, you gonna get what you fishing for. The shit was for scopes. He ain't want no smoke. I told him the clip was longer than Demo Coke, nigga, extended clips. I told him the clip was longer than Demo Coke, nigga, extended clips. I keep that workout, I got a membership. And put the pause on the Columbus, nigga, on some Clemson shit. These fake jeans. Wanna be Hoover. Ain't you 30, nigga? Y'all came to see Kevin Dyson? Well, I got the sweeper for these dirty niggas. You know Hoover, Dyson, sweeper for these dirty niggas. Mask on, Mac loaded, duck and task, trap open. I use that same mask before I start the blender. Cause I done seen niggas damn near OD try and get that pack open. He acting cavalier. Cause they show Kevin love to the stock hit him. I told him, son, don't start with your pops. Doc Rivers, you said they said it was hot. I told you. They said you was hot. I told you. No, you not, nigga. And bury a squiddy nigga right next to him. The plot thickens. We gonna talk about it. How you a blood and you go join Squiddy? Y'all big nerds. I won't miss the crabs. You get 8 arms over Squidwards. Fuck them cartoons. I sport plugs. Give them the whole clip. They asked me why I battle King Grail. I said I kill who they go get. And I don't get into the politics of the shit. I get booked, I come ended. I rap for a couple minutes and I go back to minding my business, nigga. H2O.
One hand on the gun, other hand on the wheel, boots on the brakes, insides full of pills. I heard you on the book, talking like you wouldn't get killed, but now you in front of Chucky with the book. So it's time to get real, you's a dead man. And it's homies you gotta join in the ground. You lost this battle like way before any coin hit any ground. Cause you just ain't level and you hate that I'm special. 38 special, put H2O in the air. Triple H about to wrestle. I done got mad again. Triple H about to wrestle. I done got mad again. I'll splash again, then dip off. Gotta wipe the prints off. Eddie Murphy in the bath again. Scratch that. I've been itching too long. 5 cent artist. And it's always 5 stars when the nickel get drawn. Frankly, I ain't worried about shit that you on. I'm in the pad. And I'm super strapped down. I got the pickle suit on. Rumor is you won your last battle too. Rumor is you won your last battle too. But this me, H, you the second nigga Lou put on the line. And I hate talking on 3-way. Red Beam. Leave his documentary on Blu-ray. We don't talk bingo. It's gonna be the guns yelling who they, nigga, you from out of town. So any lines you got, I'm stepping right on them, silly. I really be out of bounds, way too much killing. Felt maybe I should fall back, but fuck feelings. Stomach shot. Ain't no intuition in that gut feeling. You might not even make it out. You might not even make it out. Because when H2O meet the iron, it's gonna be more than clothes that get straightened out. Popping off at the mouth, that'll have me popping your system. You not with that picture? The bird got a button I can push. So we can always see what's popping on Twitter, and I wasn't trying to even go there. I wasn't trying to even go there. Shorty, I gotta step on H2O. But I promise this puddle came out of nowhere and I'm gonna tear it. I'm gonna tear it. I pull up in the Honda, airing. Now the only person speaking out for you, Yolanda Harris. I'm too good with that Nina. Come on, man. I'm too good with that Nina. The surgeon had to take pieces and put them back on him. But he was always good at Jenga. These dudes died. That's non-fiction. These dudes lie. Fujiyama. That just mean that I'll slide the blade on him like Japanese food live. Brand new 9. Niggas ain't dead or trying to do time. All cap. You lames love tapping that up arrow 2 times. Quit lying. Quit lying. Gun ain't too big, but the clip giant. Bought families out. They miss me more than they miss Ryan's. You let a schizo have you looking so crazy. Like half the crowd left. Now the 40 cal pressed. Leave H2O all over this bitch. Ain't no more towels left. Your girl ain't steady either. She needs somebody who can balance her. 10 years ago, I'd have pulled up in that Challenger and challenged her. Heard you was musty, don't get money, got a counselor, and they say you hang with all squares. You a calendar. Nigga, my hood is a massacre. Nigga, my hood is a massacre. My hood is a massacre. Announce it. I done seen chainsaw massacres that happened over ounces. That's why I goes opium with a shell case. So all we ever see is your face on TV. Like the old Nickelodeon, another one down. Golden gun bullets. All it's gonna take is 1 round. That was only 1 round. Rap.
H2O, it's on you.
Puddle came out.
I really think y'all hyping this nigga on some bias shit. And his motherfucking boots and jeans is tight as shit, but I'm on a new level. This new metal, I have him levitating. Nah, this hollow man to fuck around and leave Kevin Bacon, nigga, get it straight. Quick draw with it, I don't hesitate. It's beef, I don't get tired. I show up at Kevin Gates, nigga, pick a place. You get some chicken, I go get it safe. For the white girl, you get the bald head. Ricky Lake, the shit was fake. Soon as he locked the date, he was killed in, he took the bait. Not knowing they was gonna bring that real in, the steel in. He took the bait, not knowing they was gonna bring that real in, the steel in. Shit, I bring them techs in his house. Made his body look bad like Rex on the couch. Homicide, it ain't shit to me. I load up the chrome, kill this nigga, get the kids Happy Meals on the way home. I'm the real GOAT. I'm the real GOAT. But this toast, I turned him into ghost. That means his last quote was a suicide note. What's up, Bo? You ready to die? You in luck, bro. This blade, spades, solo, cut though, up close. Nah, he ain't gotta feel this cleaver, he's sneezy. I gotta make that nigga feel this fever, oh baby. Soon as I got the car, you was dead. Talk that GTA shit so much, he tattooed stars on his head, but fuck it. But fuck it. Soon as I got the call, he was dead. Talk that GTA shit so much, he tattooed stars on his head, but fuck it. Since y'all think his bars compare to mine, watch me sending to the sky, let them stars align, no lie. They said we was even, bro, why? I'm at his neck. How the fuck y'all think me and Bow Tie, and I ain't gotta brag about it.
That was crazy.
I'm at his neck. How the fuck y'all think me and Bow Tie, and I ain't gonna brag about all the niggas I killed, cause the losses turned me into that nigga for real. Your only battle, B.O.B. I'm pissed right now. Boy, if I shoot them stars, you gonna really need a wish right now. I know y'all ain't into pop music, so that's some shit you ain't get right now, but I said B.O.B. Airplanes and shooting, bah! He gonna really need a wish right now. Real talk.
Round two, let's get it. Shots fired. Bang, bang!
Hey,
Hold it down, hold it down, hold it down. All right, P.
I heard a few personal plays. They said it was coming. Thank God this battle stops me from being in my take it personal ways. But outside, it can get turtle out there. Make you tighten up all that big shit. Yeah, I got the girdle out there. This is my first, second round ever. It's my first, second round ever, yo. I'm gonna talk a little bit. But I'm gonna need you listening, because I don't often discuss it. Twin sticks, gotta use them in unison. So you can say I'm walking with crutches. Gunplay time. Gunplay time. They love when I gunplay rhyme. Triangle. Barrel on the eagle look like the arrow on a one-way sign. Nigga, you don't win, not around. It's better if you're not around. Columbus, I should lay water down for coming watered down, because I don't even like water. I don't even like water. Niggas tried to hype water. I mean, he cool, but he ain't that cold. And I am ice water compared to you. I can tell I'm scaring you, I should be. Cause it ain't gonna be your business, I'm telling when I start airing you. My team get it jumping. Even my queen on the 100. Come to my crib, you fuck around and see toys everywhere. And we ain't cleaning up nothing dirty. Fuck around and see toys everywhere. And we ain't cleaning up nothing dirty revolver. I used to run shit with that. I can tell you kinda shaky. I don't even know why you coming like that. Drama, bullshit, we coming with that. The homies will jack you up, jack him up, so nigga keep talking like something went flat. I did this shit behind bars. I did this shit behind bars. We completely different athletes. You was doing it on stages. I was doing it on yards. Washing, like I had to clean the car. AR, we playing spades and dude cheating. You should have never seen this card. They tried to juice me about it. They tried to juice me about it.
Hold it down, hold it down.
Should have never seen this card. They tried to juice me about you. This battery ain't chargeable. I turn you from particles to an article on Miss Michelle. Tie him up, hang him in the closet, wish him well, then aim the quarter at H2O. Now you a wishing well surgery. Take longer than bitches trying on clothes, packing lunch, and I pull the strap from the front like I'm untying my robe. You hear a big blast. I'm talking big blast. You should have rapped. Cause all that, Gail King, big ass. Up the pole, quick fast. Blew his head, quick rag. Your whole style trash. Empty pop cans, chip bags. Old lady, out running errands. I keep a big bag, amusement park 357. And you get all 6 Flags. Park 357. You get all 6 Flags. Your girl here right now, and she big mad. I swear to you. That's why I said stop faking. It was one shot, but the bullet hit that one spot. Now his legs won't stop shaking. That is true power. Whole gang with me. Call it crew power. Groggy, feeling froggy. Like when the Black Ranger got his new powers. Bottom line, just like they know, nigga, you know. It's fuck H2O. Now how do you spell 2O?
Hey.
Just in case y'all ain't get the memo.
Hold it down, hold it down, respect the weather.
Round 3, H2O, let's get it. Right! Just in case y'all ain't get the memo, I'm old. I wear Wallaby sneakers, long white socks. I go to sleep at 5:30, and I got beans in the crock pot. But I'm a real one though. I came from Mopwater Haze in a zone for 450, and found my own plays to get on. But this battle rap, everybody got a gun. It's creepy shit. A nigga can't keep a clean hoodie, but he keep a fifth. A nigga you know gonna get out the whip in his beef and shit, or in this case, a self-proclaimed blood that be with Crips. I mean, it's lit. You can be whatever you say, but I gotta be Tez at the end of the day. Fly nigga with them bars, this Pelican Bay. I bring Chrome to his home, had he feeling away. You think this shit a game, blood? Suwoo? Ain't that what they say? Well, nigga, you can get the Suge Knight or the Treyway. AK, nah, I see irony in these motherfuckers. Jim Jones made that Vampire Life clothing line, and then we found out these blood suckers, nigga, fuck you.
Talk
AK, I see irony in these motherfuckers. Jim Jones made that Vampire Life clothing line, and then we found out these blood suckers, nigga, fuck your set. Up the tech, empty clip, nothing left. Headshot, fuck his chest, bare arms, bubble vest, I'm fucking stressed. I'm fucking stressed. I guess y'all need me to do the talking, boy. I point to 5 and put the sneezy in the, I point to 5 and put the sneezy nigga in the coffin. You with a goofy ass box, talking all that shit. Done got your goofy ass box. You think I'm kid and play with me? 10 toes, I stayed down. It's been a couple months since my last killed a nigga to Blade Brown. And y'all think he in my class act. Y'all act like he in my class. Brown, no.
keep asking what got me battling again. I tell them I'm just trying to get back normal. But they keep putting me in front of all these niggas who rap normal. Cornflake, no milk. Nigga, you that normal. And if you happen to glance up and see the 12, just look straight and act normal. After my last battle, these people know I get violent. Have my name buzzing, like I'm calling while they phone on silent. Small shit to excite me. You bring a half, I pull an ounce out. Fiends jumping round in circles. We in the bounce house. The gun. The gun got dumb kicked. Roundhouse. So I keep the ratchet low key. Like OMG, my dad would kill me if he found out. Fuck what they saying. Fuck what they saying, H2O. These ain't water guns. We ain't out here spraying H2O. You hear thunder? It ain't raining H2O. 38 giving gangrene. We contaminating H2O. And just so you know, females ain't exempt from this gangster shit we be on either, nigga. So your girl talk crazy, smoke her, put her down, stand over her. The brain gonna pour out like Campbell's soup. Right after the can opener, they set you up, dummy. Right after the can opener, they set you up, dummy, just to watch me set it off. It ain't a person in this building thinking you gonna get it off. Niggas asking what you taking H2O for. He died a few times. What you out here chasing ghosts for? Simple. Simple. Make him a ghost more. Walk up to your shack. Bullets do it just like Rose did Jack. And take the whole door. Speaking of ghosts. Speaking of ghosts, I'm a killer without the ghost face. Look at the homie ghost face. He knew I was gonna wig out. I could have pulled the cig out and took a smoke break to tech boom. Tech boom. Niggas saying Sneeze gonna be a vet soon. Up here sitting on H2O. I had to go to the restroom. They asked what happened. They asked what happened. They asked what happened. Tell them you banged with a star. They asked what happened. Tell them you banged with a star. One of them niggas who be super pressed about getting their change at the bar. That Lion King scene though, in your last battle was mean. So I came with a bar. Slice one of your kids in the Kovu. Now he can't help but be ashamed of the scar. I promise I'm already mad. Let's go. I promise I'm already mad. Don't make me more mad. The 4 blast. Now, nurses giving him insight on his next 7 days. It's a forecast. You should have been more careful how you gravitate. Cause I'm about to start deleting shit. 3 shots fired like ain't enough data space. Y'all hear H2O and think, damn it? I heard it too. But all I'm seeing is the 4th kid from Captain Planet. Nigga, this about to be my shit. And you like way under me. Torture. Watching fall face forward like baby tumbleweed. You talk, but you can't cook with the bandit. It's candlelight and rose petals on H2O. But it's not looking romantic, nigga, you lightweight. He is not heavy. You're too lightweight. He is not heavy. Like for instance, swing H2O. And watch the whistle, steam H2O. The teapot is ready. It's a camera on the roof. Camera on the crib lawn. The goons get photos. Just so they don't get the crib wrong. Bodies, messy shit. I hope you got your bib on and pray I don't keep popping up like J's. Long as bid's gone, cook where? H2O got niggas shook where? If I toe tagging, trust me, that is the finish line, champ. I'm talking famous footwear. These boys gonna respect me. Niggas the worst and I can't relate. So you gonna always get the best sneeze. AR.
What's happening?
You Do I want ghost next? Please. But for now, they say eat, and I ate. It's a wrap. Check, please.